future Emily and Lewis.
Good afternoon, good evening.
This is that one time when you, on a Friday night, when you decided you want to go and get New York pizza. And then
So
you just
we're gonna
went.
go do it. Here we are, Village Square Pizza. This is what we trekked all the way downtown for. Village Square Pizza. We just finished our Village Square Pizza all over my face, so I'm gonna hide it with a mask. What do you think?
It was really, really delicious.
It's got a slice of each pepperoni.
The honey was surprising.
And we got some like hot honey. Oh, it was very messy, but it was delicious.
And Brett Conti Instagrammed me.
Yeah, so we're just heading uptown. Loren's tired, she's got her stroller, but she napped today, so we've got a bit of time. We're gonna go for a walk uptown and see if we can see the place in the dark for a little bit. So it should be good.
Oh no, as random say.
So we just walked from the Lower East Side through Union Square and it's now pouring with rain.
Oh.
So we're just walking up to the Flatiron building, which is still under scaffolding, unfortunately. There it is there. First skyscraper in New York. It's a cool building. Well, it's getting dark. It's raining. We are having a Shake Shack in Madison Square Park.
Edit, we're having a milkshake from Shake Shack. We're not going all out.
Just a milkshake.
Why did we not get fries?
Good point. We never got fries for some
man.
stupid reason.
So
But it is
lovely
very
we didn't
rainy.
get fries.
Very, very wet.